Investor of the Year. The Budapest-based Lightware Visual Engineering Ltd. has been a leader in the design and manufacturing of premium precision video signal processing products for 25 years. As an audio-visual manufacturing company, their product range includes custom-developed software, AV switching systems, matrix switches, and event management systems to enable seamless connectivity between devices in meeting rooms, classrooms, and live events. Lightware's mission is to provide intuitive ProAV technology that simplifies and transforms customer interactions. Thanks to continuous product development, Lightware has now built up its own family of AV products and become the largest AV manufacturer in Europe. More than 400 employees in 18 offices serve their customers' needs, and their products are now available on 4 continents and in 30 countries around the world. Lightware, being a Hungarian company, has always paid special attention to keeping its product development activities in Hungary. Hence, the company is making a significant investment of 9 billion Hungarian forints in research and development that will help expand the R&D team in Budapest and create a new engineering center in Szeged, with 43 new highly qualified development engineer positions.